So I have my Zippo dual torch butane insert, and as you can see, it's a decent sized flame, but you know me, I kind of want it to be a little bit bigger. How are we gonna do that? Well, take your butane insert, take it out, look at the bottom. There's two screws. Now, whenever you see screws, that means that you can unscrew them. So we unscrew the screws, just like that. That's one. And make sure to not lose these because these are very small. Right, okay. So now we have this. This right here is what we're looking at. So this right here is where the butane gets put in. And this right here is how you control, you know, how big of the flame you want. So if this was like really small, there's no flame at all. But if this is very big, I just actually took the ring off, that's fine. This is very big, the flame's going to be pretty big, right? So you take this ring off, right? It should be easy to come off. And then you see right here, there is a brass ring right here, and this ring right here controls, you know, how far this thing will turn, to prevent the flame from going too big, or from the butane to be like completely shut off. So we're gonna have to pry this thing out. Oh, that's annoying. There we go. Should come off now. Boom. So we got the ring off. And now we can be able to turn this as much as we want. So let's turn it a little bit more. Let's turn it even a little bit more, and let's see. Look at that. So you see, now you can get a much bigger flame. And then we can just put the ring back on. Right? And put the casing back on. You gotta put these on. You screw these. Slide it back into your case. Folks, you have a much bigger Zippo, which I really don't know why you would want to do this. I mean, it's cool, and it's especially nice when your butane starts to run low. You can just turn it up, but you have to be very careful with this, because if you turn it up too much, you'll just squirt butane. And if you put it too low, I mean, with the brass limiter, it wasn't doing anything either, so you gotta be careful. But there you have it, folks. Yeah.